Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. I shot with the DJI Osmo Action 4 and I have a Samsung Evo Select Plus card and I was put into the camera and I didn't have troubles. Down the road one day with the DJI Mic 2, I said, hey, I got these little skipping areas, dead spots and all that good stuff. My returning followers know exactly what I'm talking about, but if you're new to the channel, oh yeah, man, I've been having some issues lately, and I'm gonna say what they are, what they is, and all that good stuff. On my recent video, man, I was like in a time warp. It skipped and played, skipped and played, skipped and played, and finally went back to the norm. But when I had a longer video as well, I also had sound that was just like, it went in and out as well. And it went in and out for a longer period of time, not just a split second, more like a number of minutes. So I said, let me just check my card, reformat it, put it back in the machine and do all that good stuff and put it back to the camera. I then just said, you know what? Let me just swap it out, put my SanDisk Extreme Pro card V38 whatever it is, into the Action 4. It turns out, had to be the card. The card gave me the issue. And let me tell you, it was no fun trying to figure it out when the card worked just fine. It just seems to be that over time, the cameras say, you know, I don't want you to work with me no more. I'm gonna go somewhere else. And yeah, I'm doing pretty good. Definitely indeed. Maybe that Samsung made my machine, my computer as well, wacky. Yeah, man. DJI even told me the cards now to use. And they say, use a SanDisk Extreme Pro V30, 32 gig, use a Kingston. Samsung is not a recommended card. Now, if you ever have problems with your camera, troubleshoot. Always switch things out. Take note, I'm putting a big X on that Samsung card. No, I'm not throwing it out because that card will do a good job in other things that I own. I got no problem when I use it elsewhere. Did I come too early? Is the sun first coming up? Is it a beautiful shot? Or is it just getting later and later and later? There's the sun. I came just a little too early. Did you know it's a year later and the DJI Osmo Action 4 is the all-time fave camera on the market that sold for, yeah, $399.99 and dropped down to $299.99 and still is the best-selling camera out there. Or is it? Are you jumping on the bandwagon to get one? Or you're gonna get the DJI Osmo Action 5. It's supposed to be coming out. Is it this month? Next month? The month after? We don't know. I got the hand pointing towards that way. So I look, and I don't see anything. Maybe I miss it. Maybe he's telling me, oh, look, the fish are jumping. Just don't see it. Guardian security. He's out like a light, sleeping in the car. And I don't think I want to have him as my security officer and falling on the job, sleeping. I kid you not, man. He's got the air conditioner running. And he's out like a light. Maybe his partner's late. Maybe he's on his break. Maybe he's on his lunch hour. Maybe he's not working. Maybe he's just. Let's squeeze on through. Let me put my camera over here. Oh, come on, man. Get in there. Get in there. Hurry up. Oh, boy. Oh, yeah. I made it through. Loosen you up. Pull you out. Come on, come on. Yeah, man. Got it tight and loosen. Don't want to drop the camera. Off we go. We're down at the water's edge again by the beach. Now you can see across the way, but you can't see any further than that, especially with the camera. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice day it is. Had a nice bike ride. I'm sitting down relaxing now. I think I said what I had to say to you during my ride. That make sure you get the right card to your camera, that it works out. Years ago, couldn't afford to get these cards. They were so expensive. Today, people want to put a 1 terabyte as the minimum into the camera, expect it to work flawlessly. But DJI, man, they're dedicated to making your camera work and making sure they get you the right card to the camera. And on that note, on fish, time for me to go enjoy the rest of my day. Go meet the Cup of Joe, take care of the notes. Yeah, do a build, man. Do a build because sis wants me to do that build fast and get it done. She's waiting for it. So if you want to get a build done, get with the fish. Get with the fish. Get on out of here. You see my hands? They're at the modified handlebars I use. And you see them going in? Yeah, man. Maybe this is the type of handlebar you're looking for. So close, almost to the center of the stem. You can steer like that. As long as you got a little knob to grab. Right. I want to escape. They won't let me. They locked my escape route out. I gotta go back to the park and maybe go that way. Gate's closed over there. Maybe you gotta lift it open to get in. I don't want to lift my bike up and over. I could ride all the way back to the other side and get on out of here. What's happening? They don't want you to leave. I should have went out the first one I opened up at, not the second one. Oh man, I gotta head all the way back the way I came. This exercise. Carrying batteries as exercise. They switched off. My escape route's open. I could get out this way. All right. Get a mosey on. Get on out of town. Head on down to the next county. Why make a bike path? People just jog in the center. You're supposed to be in the bike path, the right-hand side. We do what we want. Like I said, pull a chair up. Don't have to switch the channel. Everything's there for you, man. All in one. Yeah, I ride in the center. Oh yeah, I'm all over the road. I'm trying to balance. Man, I ride in the left too. I do it also. I know we're all supposed to be on the right-hand side, like so. So this way the cars can go by you on the correct side. Am I going faster than that vehicle that's behind me? I sure was. It was a garbage truck. He wanted to get to me, be on video. Well, I am Fish, and I'll see you on the next videos to come. Later.